If LibreOffice is showing error 1711 during installation, don't worry. This is usually a Windows installer issue, and in most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the two most effective solutions, clearing out clogged MSI temp files and purging your system temp folder. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and let's get straight into the fix. First, let's start with the most common solution, clearing out the Windows installer temporary files. Windows has a limit on how many temporary MSI files it can store inside the installer folder, and once that limit is reached or the cache becomes corrupted, LibreOffice may fail to install and show error 1711. To begin, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This step is important because the command we're about to use needs elevated permissions. Once the command prompt window opens, carefully paste this command and press Enter. Sadl q%windir sans installer msi.tmp. This command removes broken temporary installer cache fragments that may be blocking the LibreOffice setup process. The Q switch makes it run quietly, so you won't be prompted for each file. After the command finishes, close Command Prompt and try running the LibreOffice installer again. In many cases, this alone is enough to remove error 1711 and allow the setup to continue normally. If LibreOffice is still not installing properly, the next step is to purge your global system temp folders. Sometimes corrupted files in the Windows temporary storage directory can interrupt extraction and cause the installer to fail. To do this, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %10% and click OK. This will open your current user temp folder. Now press Ctrl and A to select everything inside the folder. Then press Delete to remove the temporary files. If Windows tells you that a file is currently in use, just click Skip and continue deleting the rest. You do not need to worry if a few files cannot be removed, because those are usually active system files that are safe to leave alone. After clearing the temp folder, open Command Prompt as an administrator again. This time, run the following commands one by one to re-register the Windows installer service, msi-exec unregister, and then msi-exec reg server. These commands reset the installer engine and can fix deeper registration issues that may be causing LibreOffice error 1711. Once both commands are completed, restart your computer to make sure the changes fully take effect. After the reboot, try launching the LibreOffice installation file one more time. At this point, one of two things should happen. Either the installer works normally, or the error is gone and the setup progresses further. If it still fails, the problem may be related to a larger Windows installer corruption issue, but for most users, these steps solve it yet completely. So to recap, the fix is simple. First, clear the MSI temp files from the Windows installer folder, then clean out your %temp folder, and finally re-register the Windows installer service. These three steps resolve error 1711 for a lot of LibreOffice installation problems on Windows. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.